Welcome back, everyone. This is the second in a series of Zoom tutorials to try to get you up and running quickly. And I'm Jeff Meese, Media Technician at the College of Business. Today we are going to tweak just a few of the default settings on our Zoom account so that we can be ready to finally dive into the actual application in the next video. The first step, as always, is to go to the webpage you see here, umontana.zoom.us. Next, click on the green Login button. Put in your NetID credentials to land on our main profile page. Next, click the Settings tab on the left that you see here. Now, click on this Email Notification tab. Zoom is a powerful program, but they really overdid it on the defaults for these email settings. Many of our faculty members complained that they were being bombarded with email from Zoom. So, let's fix that. The only essential emails from Zoom you need to get started are the ones that tell you your recording is ready and include the links you need to post on Moodle or elsewhere for the students to watch. That notification is the very first one you see here. Now, let's turn all the rest of them off. Okay, one setting change down and one to go. The final settings we want to set up are for your personal meeting room. That's because to get started, we won't be scheduling individual meetings. You can begin by using this personal meeting room that never changes for all of your first Zoom meetings. We will address how to schedule individual, separate meetings in a future tutorial because we are trying to keep each of these short. So, scroll up the page from our email notification settings until we get back to the top. Click the Meetings tab here, and then the Personal Meeting Room tab near the top. Click on the red Edit This Meeting button you see here. There are 5 options we can adjust, and let's set them individually from top to bottom. Enable Join Before Host should be unchecked. Mute participants on entry should be checked. Enable Waiting Room should be unchecked. Only authenticated users can join should be unchecked. Record the meeting automatically should be checked, and make sure that in the cloud and not on the local computer is selected. Finally, we have to make sure to click on the red Save button to finalize these settings. That's it. We're finished with this one and ready to finally dive into the actual program in our next tutorial. Thanks for watching.